Hello everyone and welcome to this informative tutorial. Today we're taking a look at how georeferences work in GeoVisual. First, let's create a new project. You'll notice that initially, your project doesn't have a georeference, meaning there's no basepoint set. Now what's a basepoint? It's a pivotal location within your dataset that aligns your project with a specific spot on Earth. In GeoVisual, you don't need to manually set the base point. It's automatically determined by the first piece of geospatial data you import into your project. Remember, each project can only have one base point, which becomes the reference for all subsequent data imports. Let's put this into action by importing an IFC file. If it has an associated XYZ file labeled basepoint, your basepoint gets established automatically. Look at the top of your screen. You'll now see the basepoint displayed with east and north coordinates in the ETRS-89 UTM Zone 32N system. As your mouse moves within a georeferenced project, take note of the real-time coordinate information. These coordinates are displayed in both the Universal Transverse Mercator UTM system and the Geographic Coordinate System GCS, letting you pinpoint locations with precision. In GeoVisual, any layer imported with georeferencing will display a little globe icon, signifying that it's locked into place and can't be moved independently. Let's import a satellite image to demonstrate. Notice how it aligns perfectly with your existing data. Now, although using an IFC file's basepoint is convenient, you have other options as well. If you'd like to use a different basepoint, you'll need to create a fresh project. Some IFC files might lack a separate basepoint file, but already contain georeferencing information. In such cases, GeoVisual will prompt you to automatically select one of the georeference points within the IFC file as your basepoint. Simply click Confirm. You can also manually set a base point. To do this, again create a new project and import an IFC file, but this time, deselect the option to automatically select base point. Please note, manual base points currently can only be set in the ETRS-89 UTM Zone 32N system. Enter your easting and northing and click Confirm. So there you have it. You're now equipped to incorporate various geospatial data types into your GeoVisual projects, offering you a comprehensive way to visualize your plans within a real-world context. See you again soon, and happy visualizing.